Got a little bit of a thunderstorm here. A little summer thunderstorm. Getting a little wet here. Trying to catch some lightning, but every time I turn the camera off, it seems to lightning. Getting sprayed here. I'm wondering about taking a chance and running into the truck. See what the weather station's saying. Maybe I can wait for the rain to let up a little bit. Rain's letting up just a little bit. Let's run out there and see.
Modello, Tigerville, Lake Robinson, and Lake Bowen. Scattered trees and power lines will be blown down in the warned area. Seek shelter inside an interior room. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service Greenville Spartanburg by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101.
Okay, don't want to give away too much information from where I'm at. Okay. Whew. Well, sorry YouTube for not catching any lightning. I figured I'd try to give y'all a little bit of a show where I'm sitting. Alright, here's your free little bit of a summer storm. I guess you would call it summer rain, since y'all didn't catch any good lightning bolts on this. We have another good storm roll through. I'll try to capture something, put on a little light show. Alright, later YouTube.